Welcome guys to another new vlog. Today I am going to unbox my Google Arcade Legend swag. So yeah. So basically this is the card. As you can see, Google card, Arcade one. And this one is the backpack. Okay, let me show one by one. Yeah. A nice backpack I've got with a lock, a logo, and let's see if it's 180 degree or not. Yeah, it's 180 degree also. Nice. It's nice quality. Yeah. Let's do one more thing. It's a tumbler, a lamp. Let's see. A USB port. Okay. Oh, okay. I have received like this. Okay. I don't know. Oh, yeah. I don't know how many of them have sold like this, but I've got like this. Can you see? That's nice. Unless it's not broken. Hope so. Hopefully. Yeah. Let's hope for the best. Yeah, it's glowing. Yeah. Red, yellow, green, blue, black, blue, violet. No. Yes. It's light. Get this side. Yes. Oh yeah. See? Ta-da! Magic. Yeah. Okay. Another is Executive Pen Duo. Oh, I've got the right materials right now. It's heavy metallic pens, and you can see because of light you can't. Maybe you can. Yeah, it's exciting, you know. So another is Type-C adapter 18-1. As you can see, okay, I got like this. Google Cloud. I don't broke it, bro. Otherwise, I'm not. Yeah, it's working. Yes, you can see 8 ports, 18-1 ports. It's nice. Pen where yeah, pen. It's Google Cloud logo set, and yeah, you have to make it. Okay, I will. Tape is there, but it's not. Wait. Ta-da! Blue green. Ta-da! And here's a manual for building this up. As you can see, it's like a map. Ta-da! Help me to build this. Seriously, I need help now for building this up. Okay, let's see another what I have got. We'll build this afterwards. What should I open now? Laptop sleeve or hoodie? Laptop sleeve. Last one should be the hoodie. Yeah. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay. Oh, nice. See, a mini pouch for keeping small stuff. I don't know what is this one is for. This one, a tail type of thing. But yeah, of course, for something. I will find it out. Not now, but yeah, of course. This is a pouch to keep small items. This is a laptop sleeve. Yeah, can't call it holder. Google Cloud is written over here also. Yeah, there's stand, as you can see. Yeah, it's nice. Stand is nice. Yes, it's nice. This one, it's also nice. Let's put inside of this only. And last one is the hoodie, which I'm going to unbox it. Open it. I'm sorry. Open it. Ta-da! 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 Hoodie, yeah. A logo at the side and nothing at back. Not like the previous time, which was written Arcade Legend. It's nice. Quality is nice. Soft. It's soft. Very soft. You know. It's very soft. You can see. Yeah. Let me try and see. Yes. It works. It not. Yes. It's looking nice to me, right? Yeah. It's my size. It's fitting me. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, guys. So this is all the thing which I have got. Yeah. A Lego set, a 18-1 port adapter, a tumbler. You can say, "Gee, cannot." The previous lamp which I have got in the previous arcade is broken. Yeah, that's why I have to keep this safe. It's the only lamp I have. 2 pens, a laptop sleeve, and a backpack. Hope it's this much only I've got. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Tata.